Students, see here English grammar for all the sections of class 12. Today I will teach you syntax. This is just the third part of articles. Here, as I taught you yesterday, indefinite article. Yesterday, I taught you about indefinite article, where I told you how we use indefinite article a and an. But today, I will teach you here definite article use of the. Dear students, some certain points are just quoted here. Some certain rules are given here on the blackboard. You can see one by one these rules, how we use the article the in our grammatical way. First rule, article the is used before any particular person, place or things which is already used in a sentence. Make it very clear. It is used before any particular person, place, animal or things which is already used in a sentence. Suppose I am using any noun, just boy, girl or any other animal like this. So just you can see, I met the boy who was blind, or the boy who came to my home yesterday was blind. So in both sentences you will find how the boy whom I met already, whom I met. So it is used here in such a way. So we use here the. I met the boy who came to my office yesterday. So I met the boy means the boy whom I met already. Okay. Now see your second rule. In your second rule, article the is used before the name of. Make it very important point here. Article the is used before the name of river like Ganga, Satluj, Yamuna, the Ganga, the Yamuna, the Satluj. So all these name of rivers, just we use the before all these name of rivers. Similarly, in canals, for the canals, Suez Canal. So this Suez Canal. So just for the such a way, the name of canal we use article the just before it. Ocean, base of Bengal. So the base of Bengal. So like this. Group of islands, we use the before the group of islands. The name of famous buildings. The name of deserts, you can see the Sahara Desert. So all these are just name, and we use article the before all these name. Famous buildings like Taj Mahal, the Taj is in Agra. So here we use. So that is your second point. In your third point, you will see singular number common noun, which gives the sense of whole class. We use article the before it. Singular number common noun, you can see just the cow is called mother. So the cow is just anything here for the whole class. So here in the same sentence we use the. Understand? Now before the name of religious books. Very good line here. Religious book means what? The Ramayana, the Mahabharata, the Bible, the Gita, the Quran. All these holy religious books, we use the article the just before these books, these religious books. But sometimes, now remind it, make it very clear, if there is the name of writer, particular name of those writers before it, so you cannot use article the. Suppose Valmiki's Ramayana, so you cannot say the Valmiki Ramayana or Valmiki the Ramayana. That is wrong. is right? Here, the right, same right here is the Ramayana, the Mahabharata, the Puran, but not the Valmiki's Ramayana. That is wrong. You can use here Valmiki's Ramayana. So you cannot use here the. Why? Because Valmiki is the name, is the writer of that particular Ramayana. So you cannot use here article the. But if there is no writer, so what will you do? You will only use article the before these religious books. Similarly, before the name of religious books, before the name of directions, if there is preposition, if there is preposition before any direction. Make it very clear. I would like to give you detail about the preposition. Suppose the sun sets in the west. Now let us see. The sun set in the west. West means what? West is direction, no? So in the west. In is here preposition. So before direction, if there is preposition, so you will use article the. If there is no any preposition before any name of directions, so you cannot use article the. Just take another example. My house faces east. Now here there is no use of preposition. My house faces east. You can see my house faces east. What is east? Word east is your direction. But you are not using here article the. Why? Because there is no preposition. But in the second example, the sun rises in the east. Now let us see here. Once again you will find the same direction east. But word here the is used. Why? Because just before it you will find any preposition. Preposition in here in the same sentence. So that is the fourth rule. Before the noun of religious book, the name of directions. If there is preposition before any direction. Before the proper noun, if there is an adjective before it. Yes. Once again see. What is proper noun? Just naming words are called proper noun. No? Ram, Rahim, Suresh, Mohan, Alexander, and so many other names are there. Just proper noun. But overall, we are not going to use article the before all these proper nouns. But sometimes, if there is an adjective before it, you can see Alexander the Great. Now here, the Great Alexander. So you will find the just before it. So great is what? Great is here adjective. Word great is an adjective. So we use article the before it. Is that clear? Okay. There is an adjective before it. Before the name of newspapers. Yes. Before the name of newspaper means what? If you are going to use your newspaper, similarly, the Times of India. What you can see? The Times of India. What is it? This is the name of newspaper. The Times of India. So you write here the Dainik Jagran, the Hindustan, the Dainik Bhaskar. So in all these newspapers, before the name of newspaper, you will write article the. Is that clear? Similarly, the next here, before the name of ships and aeroplanes. So many ships are there. So you can use here the name of ships like the Taj Express, the Victory. So many name of ships. Before the name of some provinces, that is here, just the Punjab, the Deccans, the United States of America, all these are what? These are the name of countries, either the name of countries or the name of provinces. Countries are geographical names. Before the universal things, that is important here. The sun, the moon, the star, the sky, the equator, all these ways you will find article the in the same thing. The sun rises in the east here. I have given you the example. You can see the sun word the is article here, na? And sun is what? Sun is the universal thing. The name of universal thing. The sun, the moon, the star, the sky, all these. So you will write here article the before this. The name of ships and aeroplanes before the name of some provinces. Countries are geographical names before the universal things. Before the adjective if it is used for the particular group. Now, what is it? What does it mean? It means to say that the poor, the rich should not hate the poor. Word the rich, the poor means what? The rich means what? The rich means all the class of the rich persons. The poor means what? Whole the class of poor person. So in both the way you will find article the just before adjective. Although you cannot use here, but in the same way if it is addressed for the whole class, then you can use the same thing. Now in your comparative and superlative degree, there is no such a rule here on the blackboard, but I would like to give you in oral. You can understand well. Suppose positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. He is a rich person. Suppose completely he is a rich person. So in the same way you cannot use here article the. He is a rich person. Okay? In positive degree you cannot use here. But in comparative degree there is no use of article the, na? But sometimes we use article the if it is used in its adverbial form. Understand? The higher you go, the better you feel. The higher means what? This is the comparative degree of high, higher, highest. No? So in the second way you will find the higher you go, the better you feel. So in both the comparative degree, you will use indefinite, you will use definite article the in the same way. Okay? Now, in superlative degree, you will always use article the. He is the best boy. He is this is the cheapest book in the market. So the best, the cheapest, in all the way you will find article the. So you will have to remember all these three degrees of comparison: positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. You cannot use article the in the positive degree, but in exception you will find here what I taught you earlier. The poor, the rich means it is addressed by the whole class of the poor or whole class of the rich person. Similarly, in the second way, in comparative degree, you cannot use your adverb, you cannot use article the, but if there is adverbial use, then you can use it. Just the sooner you, the higher you go, the better you feel. In superlative degree, you will always use article the. Well, if there is the name of language, understand very well. If the name of language like English, no, that is the name of language, no. But if you write the English means what? Means Angrez, the English people. If you are going to use article the here just before any language, the name of language, it means that is the name of particular place, the name of people. The English means English people. If you are not using your article the, it means that is only language. I study English language. So you cannot use here article the. So that is the second point here, just related to your language. In all and both, you will use article the. Some historical incidents, you will use article the. Make it very clear. Historical incidents means what? What is happening in our history? That is the French Revolution, the Second World War. In all these historical things, events, you will write article the. Okay? And before the name of surnames, surnames means what? Suppose Chauvet's family, the Chauvet's family, the Pandey's family, the Sarmas family. So the name of all the family members, you can use your article the. Now, how can you omit your article the? That is important here. How can we avoid articles and what is the necessities? I will give you in the next video. So see here on the blackboard, the omission of article. The omission of article. How we omit these articles. Now you know there are 5 nouns here: proper noun, common noun, material noun, abstract noun, and collective noun. So how we use or we do not use all these articles a and are the. This is what the proper rules here. You can see the rule number first. We do not use any article before the proper noun. As I have already told you about the same thing. We do not use any article before proper noun. But if it is used as a common noun, then you can use. But not generally, we do not use any article the or any article before proper noun. Understand? But if any proper noun is used as a common noun, then you can write article a and r. Whatever I taught you earlier. Rule number 2. We do not use article the before any material noun. Now, second is here material noun. We do not use any article before any material noun. Just my ring is made of gold. This bag is made of plastic. This chair is made of wood. So all these are what? These are material nouns. Understand? So we cannot use any article before any material noun. Understand? But there is a condition. But if it is used in its special condition, then we can use article the. Suppose that my ring is made of gold. Here you can see gold. Word gold is what? Material noun. No? So you are not going to use here any article. But if it is used in its special condition, then you can write the gold of my ring. The gold of my ring is pure. Secondly, the gold. Here once again you will find the material noun, but just before it is material noun, you have used here what? Article the. Why? Because gold, that is in special condition. Only the particular ring, the gold of that ring is pure. That's why you use here article the. There is no double use. No? In generally, we do not use any article in material noun. But if it is used in special condition, then you use article the. That is your second rule. Now, take third rule. We do not use any article before the abstract noun. Abstract noun, you know? The third, abstract noun. Honesty, goodness. These are what? These are abstract noun. So, you do not use, you cannot use any article before abstract noun. Honesty is the best policy. Honesty is the best policy. Word honesty. What is here? Abstract noun. So you are not going to use any article. So third one. Fourth. If any common noun is used in its widest sense, make it very clear. What I taught you earlier, we can use article a and or we can use article a and before any common noun. No? But if it is used in its widest sense is what? What do you mean? Suppose man. Man is what here? Man, the word man is common noun. I saw a man in the market. That is common. No? But man is immortal. That is what? That is widest sense. Man is mortal. Man is mortal means for whole the society, for whole the human beings, for whole the living beings. That is man. So it is used in its widest sense. Okay? See, rule number 5. If all these nouns, suppose school, college, church, temple, hospital, bed, food, these are used for self use. Suppose I am going to school to study, no? So you cannot use any article. Suppose Ram is going to school every day. Why? For the purpose of study. He is fulfilled. He wants to fulfill his own object. That is why here article is not used. He is going to school. No, I am going to temple every day. For why? For worship to God, for praise to God. So here in the same sentence, you cannot use any article. But in the same way, the mason repairs the school. Now, mason, that is, there is no object of the mason. That is the object of school. So we use here the. The temple needs repair. The temple needs repair. Now, here in the same sentence, you will find article the. So make it very clear in both the way. Now, rule number 6. We do not use any article before regular meals, lunch, dinner. I have taken my lunch. No? So you cannot write the lunch, the dinner. That is wrong. I have taken my lunch in a very easy way. That is here. In the way of disease. But there are two different kinds of diseases which is important for all of us. The mumps and the measles. Asra, Galadotu. All these two diseases we use article the before it. Now rule number 7. We do not use any article before the name of days, months or seasons. Just July, August, September, October. No? June is the hottest month. June, simply we cannot say the June, the February. That is wrong. Sunday is a holiday. Sunday is a holiday. The Sunday is holiday not. That is wrong. Sunday is a holiday. You can use only the name of particular season, the name of days, the name of months without using any article. So in vocative case you cannot use any article. In vocative case, what is vocative case? Do you know? Addressing. Go there, boy. Come here, girl. So if you are addressing in the same way, boy, girl, you cannot use any article here in the same sentence in a vocative case. Now one thing more, repetition of article. Now this is the omission of article. Then again the repetition of articles. How can we repeat articles more than one time? If adjective qualifies the same noun, then you can use article the. Just example, the black and white. The black and the white. If you are going to use in both the way article the in both the adjectives, then it means two different things. I saw the red and the white cow. It means there are two cows. Whatever I have seen, the red cow and the white cow. But I have seen a red and white cow. A red and white means what? A cow which has two colors, red and white. Understand? So that is the repetition of sentence, repetition of article. In the first two chapters ordinal, when you are going to use ordinal, you will use your article the. In the same way, if there is single post for two persons, then you use only single article. The manager and principal of the school has come. The manager and principal means what? There is two posts, but person is single. The manager who is also principal. So you will write article the in a single place. The manager and principal has come. But if there are two posts and two different persons are there, then you will use article the in both the way. The manager and the principal have come. Then have, you can use verb also. You will be careful in your verb. Has come and have come. The principal and the manager means two persons are there and they are just here in a plural form. So that is the repetition of the article. So dear student, this is the end of your chapter number 1, rules of articles. Now I hope you will do your exercise based on this your first chapter. I will teach you the next one in my next video. Thank you.